Hello, good morning everyone. Today we're going to learn how to make a 5 by 5 magic square. So in my last video, the tutorial that I have is to have a 3 by 3 magic square. Now we're going to make a 5 by 5 magic square. So let us start. To have a 5 by 5 magic square, so we are going to remember the second steps only, or the two steps. We have only the two steps. So at the right part of the video, we have here the first step is to first you're going to put the first number at the middle top of the square, and then the second step is to do the right up. So we're going to remember only the two steps. So let us start. So this is applicable of the numbers which are sequence, or which is written in straight numbers, or for example 1 up to 25, because we have here a 5 by 5 magic square. So we have a 5 squares. So at the left part of our screen we have 5 squares. So since we have 25 squares, so we have 5 by 5, so therefore 25 squares. So let us start now. So first step is we're going to write now the numbers from 1 to 25. Since we have 5 by 5 squares, so we're going to arrange the numbers from 1 up to 25. So we are going to do this 5 by 5 magic square. So let us start. Okay, let us first do the first step. So put the first number at the middle top of the square. So the middle top of the square, middle top of the square. So this is now the part. So we're going to write here the number 1. So we're going to write there the number 1. Then next is the number 2. So we're going to do the right up. So at your right, this is now the right, and then up. Since we don't have a square there, at the left we have done square. So we're going to make a straight square at the bottom part. So we're going to write that one at the bottom part, since we have the square here aligned. So again, we were going to do right up. Since we don't have square there, so we're going to put the numbers at the bottom part. So there are number 2. Then for number 3, let us do the right up. So right up. Okay, right up. So we're going to put 3 here. Again, right up. For number 4, we're going to do again the right up. Right up. Since we don't have square here, going to go to the left part of our square. Okay, at the first part of the left part of our square, then we're going to write the number 4. Again, right up. Since we don't have square here, we're going to proceed to the left part, the first left part of our square. So we're going to write number 4. Then we'll do again the right up. So we'll write number 5 here. Again, right up. So number 5. Next, right up. Since we have already here number 1, we are not allowed to write here number 6, because there are already number 1. There is a number already there, which is number 1. So what we're going to do, right up, we're going to write the number 6 at the bottom part of 5. Again, right up, we have here number 1, so we're going to write here. Again, right up, so there's already a number. We're going to put the next number at the bottom. The next, number 7, right up. So right up, we don't have square, so we're going to put that one at the bottom part of the square. So again, right up, 9. Then right up, we don't have square, we'll go to the left part. Then next, right up, we have already the number 6, so we're going to put number 11 at the bottom of 10. Then do the right up, 12, right up 13, right up 14, right up 15. Then for number 16, right up, we don't have square, so what we're going to do is to put 16 at the bottom of 15. So we have here 16. Again, right up, don't have square, so 16, we're going to write that one at the bottom of 15, so 16. Next, right up, don't have square, we go to the left part, so that is 17. Right up, we don't have square, so we're going to go to the bottom part, so that is 18. Right up, 19. Right up, 20. Right up, so we already have a number 16, so we're going to put that bottom 20. 21. Right up, 22. Right up, go to the left part, 23. Right up, 24, and the last number right up at the bottom, 25. So now that is the 5 by 5 magic square. We already put all the numbers from 1 up to 25. So if we're going to total all the numbers horizontally, diagonally, or vertically, so let us add all the numbers. 17 plus 24, that is 41. 41 plus 1, 42. That is 50. So 50 plus 15, that is equal to 65. If we're going to total that one, 23 plus 5, 28, plus 7, 35, plus 14, that is 49, plus 16, that is 65. So if we're going to add that one, that is 65, 65, and 65. So horizontally. Now let us try vertically. Let us add 17 plus 23, that is 40, 40 plus 4, 44, plus 10, 54, plus 11, 65. So that is 65, 65, 65, and 65. And also diagonally, if we're going to add that one, so let us try 17 plus 5, that is 22, plus 13, 35, plus 21, that is 50, 56, and plus 9, that is 65. So that is 65, and also here, that is also 65. So that is a 5 by 5 magic square. So that's all. Thank you.